My name's Clive Wykes, and consultant trainer with a banking background, and my approach is to take advantage of all the things that I learned when I was at the Chase Manhattan Bank to put it into a value and risk-based management approach where I teach those subjects for banks and for financial institutions in general. I was being invited here to talk about fund transfer pricing and risk management in the Egyptian market by the company called Beacon, and I must tell you that my reaction to Beacon is really excellent. Very professional team, good contacts and good understanding of the banking industry, and very nice people to work with, so highly recommended. Hopefully the partnership that we have initiated with Beacon will bear fruit over the next couple of months, many years hopefully. We've been discussing what kind of training could add value to the financial market here in Egypt. And we're going to come up with some interesting new trainings, which I think will be quite unique, and that we'll be offering during the course of this year. They will remain mainly in the risk management and value-based sphere, but I'm sure they will be helpful for the financial institutions here. Maybe just a word on the financial markets. Financial markets in Egypt are typical of advanced emerging, I would call them, with a lot of challenges in managing, advanced challenges in managing banks in a volatile environment. It's probably an understatement to say that managing these institutions is really tough. And the banks here seem to be in between the wish to be the most advanced and apply the best solutions, and a lot of tradition and a lot of rules and regulations in a financial market that doesn't have all the products and all the facilities that you would have in London, New York or Paris. So their challenges is really important, but I want to add that the banking sector here, from all the bankers I've met, there's some really interesting and knowledgeable people that want to improve, that want to bring their banks forward, that want to create a new financial environment. They don't always have the means to do it, but they certainly have the will to do it, and when there is a will, there is a way, as we know. So hopefully with the partnership that I'm developing with Beacon Training, I'll be able to participate in this evolution of the financial market in all the different trainings that we'll be bringing here, and I definitely hope to meet you in the near future during all those trainings.